Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This is the first Cybertruck crash ever caught on camera.
A few moments later.
Notice how damaged the other cars are compared to the Cybertruck. That thing is literally a tank. The husband and wife's reaction was unfazed here.
"12 seconds later.
What was that all about?
I don't know, I'm glad I stopped.
I threw this clip into the video because of how beautiful it is. Can someone please comment where you think this is? This lifted truck driver was stuck and ended up doing static burnouts. I wonder how much a fine for all those cement marks would be. I think they all passed each other.
And, you know, these were all, like, fine games overall. But it just kind of felt like there was no real reason to play them. Most of the time, they were prequel, side story, spin-off type things. You know, they played very similarly.
Oh my, that driver could care less. Props to the Dashcam driver for avoiding a serious collision. Wait for it. Is this luck or skill for predicting that the light was red for the other drivers? This is insane.
What the f?
Some guys almost lost their families, some guys even lost their jobs. All that for disturbing the peace.
What the f are you doing?
Does this guy not know what a red light is? This driver tried to brake check him. Why? Van does a complete 180 and almost flips over. This driver loses control of their vehicle in the snow, but manages to somewhat prevent a serious crash. Let me in. Me too. Notice how the driver behind him completely forgets to turn his lights on this whole time. This is even worse because he is driving a dark car, so you can't even see it at times. Did this guy just risk cutting someone off to move his car 5 feet? Good reaction time by the driver here. This driver is so slow that it makes the dashcam driver miss the light. What in the... Did that guy just try to wipe him out and then run away? What is he even doing trying to squeeze through when there is traffic? Did the red car try to scare the driver behind them? Take a close look at how that car is driving slightly sideways. What is even going on here? How do people drive in India? There's people and cars everywhere. I'm not even sure if insurance exists here. These two drivers road rage at each other when trying to pass.
तेरे को यहाँ चलना है, खड़ा रहे, खड़ा रहे। ये देख रहे हो इसको? अरे भाई आपको इस तरफ चलना है, एक तो रॉन्ग साइड आके अड़ गया, ऊपर से ये चल भी नहीं रहा। अरे भाई लेट हो रहा है, मुझे तो लेट हो रहा है, आप तो
I am going to assume he is asking him to move politely.
मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है भाई, मेरे पास आप इस तरफ चलना है। भाई रॉन्ग साइड आए हो,
Or maybe not as politely as I thought.
कहाँ खड़े हो वो समझ नहीं आ रहा। वो तू काम कर अपना।
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.